In a groundbreaking development, Chinese artificial intelligence (AI) startup DeepSeek has introduced its latest model, R1, positioning itself as a formidable competitor to established AI platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT. DeepSeek's R1 has garnered significant attention for its open-source nature, advanced capabilities, and cost-effective deployment, prompting discussions about its potential to reshape the AI landscape. DeepSeek R1, a new contender in AI. DeepSeek's R1 model has been lauded for its efficiency and performance, matching the capabilities of leading AI models in tasks such as mathematics, coding, and reasoning. Notably, R1 achieves this while utilizing fewer computational resources, resulting in reduced operational costs. This efficiency has been attributed to DeepSeek's innovative training methodologies, including the use of pure reinforcement learning, which contrasts with the supervised and instruction-based fine-tuning employed by some competitors, CiteTurn Zero Search 18. The open-source nature of R1, released under the MIT license, allows developers and organizations unrestricted access to its codebase, fostering a collaborative environment for further innovation. This approach democratizes AI technology, enabling a broader spectrum of users to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their applications without the financial barriers typically associated with proprietary models. CiteTurn Zero News 38. Industry response and adoption. The introduction of DeepSeek's R1 has elicited varied reactions from industry leaders. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has expressed concerns regarding the rapid advancements of Chinese AI firms like DeepSeek. In a letter to the US government, OpenAI highlighted potential security risks associated with DeepSeek's low-cost AI models and emphasized the need for policies to maintain America's leadership in AI technology. CiteTurn Zero News 20. Despite these concerns, DeepSeek's R1 has seen swift adoption across various sectors. Chinese companies, ranging from automotive to financial services, have integrated R1 into their operations, leveraging its capabilities to enhance efficiency and innovation. This widespread adoption underscores R1's versatility and the growing confidence in its performance. CiteTurn Zero News 21. Potential implications for ChatGPT and other AI models. The emergence of DeepSeek's R1 presents a competitive challenge to existing AI models like ChatGPT. R1's cost-effectiveness and open-source accessibility could lead organizations to reconsider their reliance on proprietary AI platforms, especially when budget constraints are a factor. This shift could pressure established AI providers to innovate and offer more competitive pricing structures to retain their user base. Security and ethical considerations. While DeepSeek's R1 offers numerous advantages, it also raises important security and ethical considerations. The open-source nature of R1 means that, while it promotes accessibility, it could also be susceptible to misuse or exploitation. Concerns about data privacy and the potential for the model to be manipulated for malicious purposes have been highlighted by industry experts. CiteTurn Zero Search 6. Conclusion. DeepSeek's R1 represents a significant milestone in the evolution of AI technology, challenging the dominance of established models like ChatGPT. Its open-source framework, combined with advanced capabilities and cost efficiency, positions it as a catalyst for change within the AI industry. However, alongside the opportunities it presents, R1 also necessitates careful